Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel for another video if you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha, and in today's video we're going to be talking all about trends. So it's that time of the year, not quite sleigh bells and reindeers, but it's very much let's put the summer clothes away kind of season, and let's get into the warmer clothes, the knitwear, the autumn colors kind of time of the year. I feel like summertime I was able to get into my wearable statement pieces, and I want to carry that on into autumn and winter. Maybe statement coats, statement jumpers, as well as elevated basics. I really want to continue playing around with color and bring in some deep burgundies. So one thing that I'm noticing is some of the trends that were here for spring and summer are spilling into autumn and winter. In particular, this trend, smart casual, is definitely spilling into autumn and winter. And it's not just your basic two-piece coat set, it's your full-on preppy style kind of a suit with the tie and everything. And I'm loving that we're seeing this in women's fashion. It's definitely giving me a little bit of nostalgia, but you can definitely dress this up and make this an elevated look this autumn and winter. I've already seen actually Zara, and I've already ordered a two-piece suit from Zara, the blazer and the pants in a gorgeous caramel tone. And I absolutely can't wait to get my hands on that. And there's so many different ways that you can style a suit, and you don't always have to wear the pieces together. That is the beauty of a two-piece coat set, whether it's a suit or whether it's a top and a skirt. Two-piece coat sets are always going to have a versatile use to them. And the way that you can wear this trend is you maybe change out the trousers for a pencil skirt. Wear a shirt and you can wear your tie, and you're rocking this look for the office. And then you can throw in a pair of heels, and you can throw in a baseball hat for a more street style but still elevated, classy, brunch with the girls kind of a look. So you can already see how my mind is working, and I am absolutely here for the smart casual look, because as a corporate girly I am forever trying to find balance between my workwear and my outside of work wear. So something like the smart casual trend is that trend is for me. Let me know what you think about the smart casual trend, because I am here for it. So another trend that we're going to be seeing, and I don't know if I'm here for this trend just yet. It's already starting to trend, and it's bag charms. Mini bags, bags on bags, and just bag charms in general. We've seen this a lot with Miu Miu, we've seen this with Coach. I've seen the fashion girlies rock this trend so well. I don't know if it's a bit of me, but I like it on other people, but I don't know if I'm going to be buying into this trend. But this is something that we're definitely going to be seeing popping off this autumn and winter. The next trend that I am looking forward to is the patterns and the prints. Of course, we know that tweed is usually associated with the colder months, and tweed is back. Tweed as well as suede is back in fashion this fall and winter. And one thing about trends is it's not about hopping onto every trend. This season that I'm in, I'm here to experiment. I'm not necessarily here to try out all the trends, but I'm here for the ones that speak to me. So for winter fashion trend that I am looking forward to is the voluminous jackets, the voluminous coats. So it's sort of giving mob wife. I don't know if you guys can remember that mob wife was a trend that was prevalent earlier on this year. And that trend looks like it's going to be making a comeback this autumn winter. Coming down the runway, you can see the voluminous gigantic outer coats, sort of like faux fur, real fur in some of the cases, but just these huge just statement coats. For me, I'm probably gonna invest in 1 or 2 winter coats, but I think this year I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. I want to save and get myself a statement coat. Last year I missed out on this Jacquemus coat, and the funny thing is it went down to around £600. This coat right here retails for around 1,400, and when it went down to £600 it was in the January sales, but I didn't pick it up, and now I'm beating myself up because they don't have this in stock anymore. And I feel like that coat would have been such an investment piece. The cut, the style is something that is a statement to me, and it's something that would have just looked stunning with everything basically. I am obsessed with these fall winter trends because all of them are just a little bit of me. The next trend is what Vogue is calling go wide, and it's everything to do with wide shoulder, wide silhouettes, especially up top. So coats that have just exaggerated structure in the shoulders. We're not just talking your padded shoulders, we're talking like padded shoulders times 10. I'm going to insert some pictures over here so you can see what I am gasping over, because this is a fashion moment. Just imagine, you don't even need to do too much. You don't need to do too much when you're wearing a coat that looks like this. Every other thing that you're wearing can be basic, but when you put this coat on top, this trend reminds me of something that Balenciaga has been doing for the longest time in their blazers and some of their coats for the longest time. But now we're probably going to be seeing it a little bit more around the different stores. A place actually that I know that sells structured blazers already is the Frankie shop. The Frankie shop is known for their structured blazers. Another place that you can shop for more of that exaggerated boxy silhouette type of a coat and a blazer is Source Unknown. Source Unknown is a place that I've grown to love over the past year or two because they have unique pieces at mid-luxe price points. I actually have a couple of things in my basket from Source Unknown. One of the things is this beautiful asymmetrical gathered cream top, and also the structured blazer dress as well from them. So I'm probably going to get a couple of items from Source Unknown and let you guys know the outcome. Another trend that we're going to be seeing this fall and winter are floral patterns, and this is really interesting because floral patterns are something that you will probably associate with spring and summertime, but we're going to be seeing floral patterns in winter. I'm excited to see how that's going to be translated into the outfits. So already on ASOS, I've seen a couple of dresses that have rose prints or floral prints. This is probably the best time to utilize all your summer dresses that have a floral print and bring them into this autumn winter season. It feels like the trends this year are interchangeable, as well as floral prints. The leopard print is something that is also continuing to trend this season. Leopard print is something that we saw come to light in December, January times, and it's definitely here to stay. But a couple of other animal prints I've seen popping up here and there are the zebra print and the snake print. For me, I prefer the snake print a little bit more because it comes across a little bit more of a neutral, especially if you get that snake print that is in a beige black with some white accents, whereas the zebra print is a little bit more bold, a little bit louder. The leopard print I think can also pass off as a bit of a neutral, so I'm here for that, especially leopard print with a pop of red or a pop of burgundy. That combination right there, whoever started all of that, fantastic. Well done. So the next trend that I am excited for as well is fuzzy footwear. The trend sort of reminds me of a house slipper, but at the same time you can wear it outside, which makes it the more fun. We are seeing a lot of creative, fun footwear coming down the runway, and I am absolutely here for a statement piece moment when it comes to shoes, because shoes can be a conversation starter. Loewe in general, when it comes to their shoes, have always set the bar when it comes to creativity. Not only just their shoes, but their sunglasses set the benchmark when it comes to creativity. A shoe that springs to mind that fits right into this trend is the Gucci loafer. The loafer with the fur in the shoe. More recently, they have sort of a shoe that is a sandal, but it has that fur base. Not only can you wear this sandal in spring and summer, but you can bring this sandal into autumn winter because of that fur base. But I remember from a couple of years back actually, this specific fringe shoe being the it girl shoe, and right about now Zara has a dupe for that shoe that is currently sitting in my shopping cart. So I will pop a picture up so you can see what I am referring to. Please let me know what are some of the fall fashion trends that you are most looking forward to in the comments section, and let's get talking because I am excited for fall and winter. I think it's one of those seasons where you get to really see the fashion girlies come out and showcase their style. In summer, I kind of struggle a little bit because summertime is where you wear less, and I kind of struggle with wearing less. I prefer the layering. I prefer, you know, the jumpers, the bagginess of clothes and stuff like that. So fall winter fashion is a little bit of me. The weather, not so much, but the fashions I am here for. So let me know what are some of your favorite fall fashion trends that you are looking forward to in the comment section, and let's swap notes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. So thank you guys for watching all the way until the end. I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.